On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Cheese.
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Got a key tag going out. Vonzy come over through the sand and everything to check out my toys. He hadn't seen the golf cart and buggy. I didn't realize I got 3,020 kilometers.
Ready, Boo Boo Boy?
Cheese fast, my boo-boo. One going out for you, James. First comment winner on YouTube only, not on Rumble. You can go check out the construction on Suncoast Parkway where it comes out on Citrus Avenue. Right here.
I come up that way from Gilman's Park.
Yeah.
Until I hit the fence with the blankets over.
That one had blankets all over it too.
Where the gate is locked. Now we need to come down with the bulldozer and fix that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the old railroad track. And my buddy John that worked for Crystal River, the city of Crystal River for years, said that was always open. So he doesn't know why it's closed. Supposedly it's still a right-of-way. Well, it is, according to the maps. Now, I don't blame people for putting up gates so no one dumps stuff. I can understand that. Yeah, they're working away, huh? Right there's where it's going to go across. You want to pull in there and look? Oh, pipeline. There's so much traffic, I don't know where to pull off, you know.
I think that the main road where the bridge is going to be
It was right there on this side.
on the north side of the power line.
Yeah,
And all that stuff to the south side.
that's all ramps. Yeah, yeah.
But it's nice to see they're also clearing the other side. It might be that the bridge over Citrus is going to be 4 lanes. Clearing over there is to widen Citrus from 4 lanes.
Right. I think it's the next road up on the left you could turn, and it goes all the way back to 19. Emerald Oaks, and that cuts back to the hospital. If we take that road where it hits the power line again is where they're going to be crossing, following that power line up. So you want to look at it while we're here? Oh man, my dad had one of those vans. If that's a Ford, a lot of them had that mid-engine, kind of forward mid-engine vans back in that era. Do you have the map with you?
No, it's like every bit like Citrus is going to be 4 lanes divided right there.
Yeah, that's wide.
There's no sense building a bridge and then later come back and have to make it bigger.
Exactly.
Well, this is pretty interesting. I wonder whether I'll live long enough. I think I will to see it. You will. Let's go back on 19. We might as well.
Okay.
We got plenty of room to pass us. We just stay in the right lane.
Yeah. Well, you do 55 almost, right?
Almost, yeah.
That's I figure if we do 55. Brother. Who could hate anybody on a scooter? There's a hospital. Tampa General now, but it used to be like Seven Rivers or something. A lot of traffic today. Oh, it's showing 65. Oh, was it off? I forget. 3? 4? That's pretty good. Denny's. I used to like Denny's. Especially traveling. You knew you were going to get a good meal. Something changed. Like everywhere else, right? That was all she had.
Well, I was hanging back because I was
Waiting for it to blow up. Yeah, I had it floored for about, 2 miles.
Oh, we hit 56 miles an hour.
This said 65, and I thought it was only off like 4.
No, it's off a lot.
Is it that far off?
I hit 56 briefly.
You ever GPSed that? Is that right?
Yeah, GPS.
It's right on?
Yeah.
So it's 55. This was saying 65. I said, I think it's more like maybe 60.
No, it's 55.
Oh, gee.
You're failures! Failures!
Well, that burst my bubble. I thought it was over 60. I'm going to have to confirm that. That's actually, I got in the mail today, some little phone holders. There's no place really to put it on here, though. There's no place to clamp it. You know? I didn't think it was that far off, but maybe. Hopefully 2 of us can trip this. Flew the drones this morning with Vonzy. That was fun. He's getting used to the FPV. We didn't have much time to fly. We did a little bit. I'll throw a little bit of that up because that's always cool. Having some video from the drone. And then he wanted to go for a little ride because he rotates through all his machines, the motorcycles. I'm not going to pass that up.
Take to the skies on MotoCheez airlines. We're cruising smooth through the space and the timelines. When Cheezels, the captain with his aviator shades. Fasten your seatbelts before we hit the glades. Clouds like cotton floating by. We're 400 feet high. Fly the friendly skies where the horizon never lies. Vin Cheezel's got the wheel. Hold tight. It's a first class trip in flight. Snacks are free, we've got peanuts and cheddar. Don't ask for caviar, we're not that much better. Wing view so wide, they'll make you say wow. Just don't spill your soda, we're gliding now. Seatbelt sign is on. Hold steady. For turbulence, we're ready. Fly the friendly skies where the horizon never lies.
Yep, we'll take the power lines. That's why we got the tires, isn't it? Woohoo! Come on! No feet down. Woohoo! Does good in the sand. Way better than the stock tires. You can feel them on the road a bit, but that's fine. I'm alright with that. Good job, Boo Boo. Show you what I got. 2 bar style. It said motorcycle. We'll see how secure it is. It said bicycle and motorcycle. Eh boy. Maybe.
Bye-bye, boo-boo.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.